Okay, today we're going to start by drawing a four-wheeler. So we get our line tool, come down to our origin, click there, make sure you've got that rubber band. Where it says on green axis, don't click on that, just let it sit there for a second. Then you go in and you do 48 inches. Enter. This is going to be a construction line for us. Now we go get our circle tool. Come down here and right now it's blue. Use your left hand arrow key to turn it green. Click on it, stretch it out, but only 1 inch. 1, shift, and then the inch key. Look down there at the radius in the lower right hand corner and you'll see 1 inch. Now we have a 2-inch circle. We're going to push pull. And we're going to push pull 48 inches. Type in 48 inches. You see that on the lower right where it says distance. Type in your 48 inches and hit enter. Now we'll go back. We've got our circle tool again. Back to our origin. Make sure it's green. And we're going to go 12 inches. That is one of our tires. We're going to push pull 1 foot or 12 inches. Okay. Now we can use our orbit tool. Bring that around. We can use our zoom magnifying glass. Now we've got it right out here in the open where we can work on it. And we're going to go up and get our select tool. Come up and start up here. Don't get down close to it. Start right up here. Left click on your pad and come down and draw around it. What that just did was select the tire only. Only the tire, not this 48-inch construction line and not this 48-inch shaft. Just going to push that over a little bit to get to the end of this line right here. And I'm going to move but at the same time that I move, I want to hit the control key. Hit the control key. And come over here and select the endpoint. Click on it. And I'm going to chase it down this for a total of 3 feet or 36 inches. Now we can orbit it around a little bit, like so. And we're going to select it again. And we're going to go up and get our selection tool and start up here. Don't get down close to the wheels or tires. Start up here. And that's going to grab both of the tires and the front shaft. You notice it did not select that 48-inch line, and we don't want it to. Now I'm going to move again, but I'm going to hit move, come down here, but I'm going to also hit control. I'm going to click on that center and see how that copied. Now I'm following that red line, the red axis. And I'm going to go down here 4 feet, 5 feet. Now it kind of disappeared on us, so we're going to use our pan key, and we can push it all this way. We can also zoom it in a little bit. And we can orbit. Now this is where your artistic ability comes in. You've been given the basic 4 wheels and the axle. At the end of that 4-foot line, you can start to draw the profile of your 4-wheel body. So we hit line, come out here, and I'm going to come up in blue. And this is totally up to you how far you come up. I'm going to come up 18 inches. And then I'm going to come over in red, 12 inches. Look in the lower right-hand corner where it says length. I went over 12 inches. Now what we're doing here is we're drawing a side profile of what your 4-wheeler is going to look like. If I draw a line here, down like, I'm going to come all the way back here. Notice I'm staying on the red axis. And I come up. And then I'm going to go up in blue. I think I'll put a rack on the back of it. And we'll put a little step in it right there for the seat. Okay. Then what we'll do is bring this around. And we're going to push pull it. And I'm going to push pull it. Oh, let's see. How about 14 inches. And now I've got to orbit around a little bit more because we need to move this, the body, over in between the four wheels. We go back and we get our select tool again. And I'm going to start up here, not down near the body, but I'm going to start up here. So now I can go get my move tool. This time I don't have to use the control key because I am just moving it. But we want to keep it right straight. We bring it right up next to it. And we type in. Let's try 3 feet, 36 inches. Oh, not far enough. So we undo it. And let's try 5 feet. Ooh, still not quite far enough. So we go back and move. This time we're going to go 66 inches and see what that looks like. There we go. So through trial and error, we have positioned the body. Now you could also, what if we put a steering wheel in here? Or handlebars come up. You could freehand the handlebars. You could put some type of a basket on the back to put all your hunting equipment in. The design of your body is totally up to you.